Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SJCAM SJ4000 Action Cam 2.0. This is a action cam like GoPro, but this is by SJCAM. This comes with a 12 megapixel sensor and is also resistant to water till 30 meters of depth. Okay, anything else? It comes with an LCD screen as well, and it says it can record 2K at 30 FPS. There is more information on this side of the box. I don't know if you can see this. It says that image sensor, 12 megapixel CMOS sensor as mentioned earlier. Format, image format is JPEG and video format is MP4. It can shoot 2K at 30 FPS, 1920 1080 or Full HD at 30 FPS, and 720p at 60 FPS, and so on. It has a 900 mAh removable battery and it supports 128 GB of micro SD card. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. As you can see, there are a lot of components in this particular box. I will try and take you through each of them one by one. There are a lot of plastic packs here. Let's see which is which. Okay, so I'm going to unpack these things. Okay, so I've unpacked most of the components. Now let's take a look at each of them. A lot of these components are basically wall mounts and brackets to hold the camera in one place. The idea of an action camera is that you fix it in one place and then you go. You can obviously alternatively fix it to a gimbal and do motion shots, but generally action cameras are best used when they're fixed to a much larger object which is moving. Let's take a look at these things. This is a micro USB charging cable. Yeah, you can see this is a micro USB charging cable for this particular camera. Okay, these are some documents. There are some stickers, SJCAM stickers, and this is the SJ4000 series user manual, which you should read at least once. Everything that you need to know about this particular device is written right over here. Everything is given right over here. It's very well illustrated, so you shouldn't have any trouble with this particular camera. There are also these two straps for carrying this particular camera around. So these are wall mounts. I'm not going to take them out. These are the mounts on which you place it once you are going to mount them, and basically those are tissue tapes. And these are your base plates. As you can see, the tripod base plates, and this is the same double coated tissue tape that you will find over here. So if you misplace one, you can always put it back. So there are a lot of these mounts over here. Each of these mounts serve different function, and you will obviously not be using all of them, but different ones for different situations. For instance, this is a clamp that you can use in one situation. Sorry, for instance, I'll do this part again. For instance, this is a clamp that you can use in many situations, like in a car, or it can be used in a car or on a bike even, should you choose to use it like that. And what else is there? We also have these protective shields. These are basically waterproof shields for the camera. This is a very important element. Now let's take a look at the camera. The camera already has a protective shield, as you can see, which is a good thing because these cameras are generally very light and they can break easily as well. And also the protective shield means that you can shoot underwater as well, which is a great addition. I will try to take the shield off and show you what it looks like inside. Okay, there's an open button right over here. There you can see. I'm going to click on it. And this is what the SJ4000 looks like. There you can see this is the SJ4000 Action Cam from SJCAM. It's very tiny and compact. There's a power button right over here, and there should be one more. Oh, there's only one power. No, there's another power button on the top as well. This is a micro USB charging port along with a micro SD card slot. There is a flap over here. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so this is where the battery is. This is the 900 mAh battery, I think. I'll just check this. So this is where the battery is. This is the 900 mAh battery that powers this particular camera. This is a removable and rechargeable battery. I'll put this back in. This has this rugged texture on top, so it will not get scratched easily. I mean, look, I'll just show it to you. Just give me a while. There. This surface, this has this rugged texture here. This is not going to get scratched anytime soon. I've turned it on now. There you can see it's showing some display, SJ4000, and you can also see the contents of my desk as well. There's also a cleaning cloth that comes with this particular box. You can use this to clean the lens or the display monitor should they get dirty. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the SJCAM SJ4000 action camera. Thank you for watching.